this side's the same way. It's going to be all packed in on top of that.
Holy shit. Oh yeah.
Maybe you won't need an air filter. That stuff
Yeah.
will keep it clean. the mice probably got a little rich.
Oh yeah, that's just. I don't know why it doesn't run right.
We will run it rich when it gets hot because you can't get enough air.
Why would you wait a whole year?
Yeah.
Who calls after a year?
That babu is living cozy in there.
Stick your hand in there, make sure he's not there yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna poke something in there, make sure he's not, sleeping in today.
It does look like it is a K&N filter.
It was a K&N filter. Rat shit, rat pee.
Hey, there's a good argument against K&N, right?
It attracts rodents.
If you don't know, you don't check it.
A girl that had worked at Sills for a while, and she had left just about the time I started, but then shortly after her dad died, and so they were cleaning out the barn, and they found these old Goldwing GL 1500. That thing, 15? No, it might have been even. It might have even been 19. His trunk was full of rat's nests. They had got it up inside the helmet.
Yeah.
He had his helmet in there, and they chewed up the
Oh.
inside of the helmet and all that kind of stuff. And I even took the shelter off, and I watched.